In these last couple of videos, I want to talk about how to find limits of difference quotients. And first of all, we got to talk about what the heck a difference quotient is. For any function f of x, f of a plus h minus f of a is called the difference quotient. And this is going to be really important in a few sections. So please pay attention to this video and the next video here, because the difference quotient is going to be pretty darn important for us. So I want to evaluate limits of difference quotients, and it's going to look like this. It'll look like, well, actually I can skip down here. It'll look like limit as h approaches 0 of f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 all divided by h. And oh boy, that looks complicated. There's a lot going on there. So in order to simplify these, I usually recommend breaking this down into 4 smaller bite-sized pieces to make this easier to accomplish. So step 1, I'm going to find f of a plus h and simplify it as much as I can. So I'm going to look at what does f of a plus h look like and simplify it. And once you've simplified it to the point where there's nothing more you can do, we'll move on to step number 2. Step number 2, we're going to subtract f of a, and actually I'll add in one extra step. I'm going to say find f of a first, and then once you have that, subtract f of a from what you found in step 1. So I'm going to take what I found in step 1, which is f of a plus h, and subtract f of a. And if you'll notice, that's what I have right here in the numerator of my difference quotient. Step number 3, I'm going to divide my step 2 result by h. So at the end of step 2, I had f of a plus h minus f of a, all divided by h. And your goal here at this point is to cancel that h from the denominator. That's what we would really like to do. And at this point, that is the whole difference quotient. That's exactly what we have highlighted up here. And then lastly, step 4, we're just going to take the limit as h approaches 0. So we're applying a limit statement as h approaches 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a, all of that divided by h. And then once we have that limit, that will be our answer.